guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be sharing my current favorite recipes, and let's just start off with this one. You know, in the morning when you just have no energy, you don't want to get up, so you crawl out like this, and you know, okay, I exaggerated, but you know those mornings you're just tired and just want to go back to bed. Well, I was introduced to Beyond Greens, and this is exactly how I make sure I'm energized and healthy from home these days, which is, you know, 24/7. So as you can see from the package here, it does show that it is really good for energy, detox, and immunity. So this pretty much helps me combat my food cravings, and it's good for my low energy that I feel some mornings like I showed you earlier. And it's also really good for weak immune systems, so especially now, we want our immune systems really good. There are so many different ways you could add this mix to something for in the morning, even just water, but for me, I like to add a scoop with cacao powder and some hot water and cinnamon. So right here you could see I just added 2 scoops of cacao powder, then add my Beyond Greens, and just 1 scoop does its job. It's so good too. It does have that little bit of matcha flavor, but it's not overpowering for those that don't like matcha. It's just, this tastes so good in the morning, and it does give me that boost of energy that I need, and the fact that I know that it's working on my immune system just makes it so much better. So this is my new current addition to my lifestyle now, and it's perfect for in the mornings when I know I have some work to do at home, or even just playing with the kids. I want to make sure I'm energized fully. And this is gluten-free and soy-free, in case you were wondering, and it does have, like I said, matcha. There are many ingredients in this formula that I really like, but I could really feel the benefits of the matcha, the reishi, which supports immunity and it's rich in antioxidants, and the lion's mane helps me focus a lot more. I've spoke about lion's mane before in previous videos, so I was really happy to see that that was an ingredient in here. So if you're curious to try Beyond Greens, be sure to grab my discount code, which I will have down below for you guys. So another product from Live Well is the collagen peptides, and this is for hair, skin, nail, and joint support. So now that I'm working out again, I'm really excited to have this because it does help with my joints. It's been a while since I worked out, so I really need this for that. But also the main reason is my hair and skin. I've never really struggled that much with, you know, hair issues like dead ends and all that, but lately I have been dealing with dead ends, and my hair's just been brittle and unmanageable, and I wanted something that could help it, not just a conditioner. So I also wanted something that would benefit my skin at the same time, and that's where this comes in. This has so many benefits to it. It's amazing. And I wanted to show you guys a recipe that's not hot in the morning, because I know it is summer and you guys want to feel cooled off, so why not have some nice cream in the morning with some collagen that's going to give you all these wonderful benefits. So I just added some frozen peaches, and then you could add water to this, or for me, I like to add almond milk. This is unsweetened almond milk. And then I go ahead and add my collagen peptides, and I like this because it's unflavored, so you could add this even in oatmeal or your morning smoothies if that's what you do. So that's what I like about this, is it pretty much goes with anything. You can even add it in your coffee. So I go ahead and I add my scoop in there, and this honestly has made an improvement on my hair, and my skin has become more clear. I wouldn't say, okay, so I would say clear, but also the main thing I noticed is it's actually having my skin look like it's more hydrated and glowing. And I honestly give this the credit for the glowing skin. This has been my breakfast, seriously, for like the past week and a half, you guys. I can't get enough of this peach ice cream. It's so easy, and the fact that it's got the benefits for my hair and skin and joints is amazing, but it is so good. Usually you make ice cream with bananas, but this is my way. The peaches, it's just life-changing right there. There are a lot of collagen peptides supplements that are not soy or gluten and dairy-free, but this one is, so I found that to be a really good benefit as well. Although this is flavorless, it's not tasteless, if that makes sense. If it is just mixed in water, you might notice a mild weedy taste. With my peach and ice cream, I don't taste it at all. And it's another one of my morning routines here if I'm not going for the hot chocolate, but honestly I do both sometimes and I'm fine with it. So if you're looking to have your hair bounce back and look shinier, or just have your skin looking more clear, brighter, smoother, your nails stronger, and want to be a happy camper like me, eating ice cream in the morning knowing you can get all those benefits, I'll have a link down below with a discount code. So while you're waiting to get your hands on those so you can make them in the morning, you can have dark chocolate banana pancakes in the morning like me. So for this, I just copied what it says in the back of the box, a half cup of the mix and a half cup of water. Sometimes I do add just a little bit more mix so it's not so watery. And on my pan, I like to spray some coconut oil, just a little bit of it. I also slice up some bananas, of course, because it's chocolate banana. And I add cinnamon on that for a little more flavor. It's so good. I could just eat cinnamon on bananas just like that all day. So good. But anyways, I then add it on a pancake, and then I top it off with another pancake, as you can see, pretty basic right there. And you could drizzle some sugar-free syrup on there, or if you just prefer your regular syrup, you could do that as well. Or another good thing is PB2, which I need to get more of. I used to love putting PB2 on top of my Kodiak chocolate cakes. So good. But this is really good. You guys have to try this. So here I am again with the cucumbers. My family and I are still on the cucumber kick, where all we do is just slice up the cucumbers, add lemon juice and sea salt, and that is all. Yes, sometimes I like to add tahini, but the kids don't, so we enjoy it just like this. So I just added everything in there and shook it up, and I let the kids know, guess what? I got cucumbers ready for you. So yeah, they're really excited. They love this, and I do too. It tastes so good, and whenever I feel like having something crunchy like chips or something, I could just turn to these cucumbers, and I am a happy camper. And so are the kids. Okay, so here is a lunch or dinner, either or. But set your oven to 425, get out a casserole dish like this, and then get some spinach with some onions and garlic sauteing. And after you've done that, you then splat. Don't just put it in gently, just do what I did and just splat that marinara sauce in. Kidding, I regretted doing that. But you can get marinara sauce from the Skinny dish. She has a 0 point marinara sauce that I love to use. So you could use that. Unfortunately, I didn't have any more, so I had to use regular marinara sauce, but we could pretend that mine is a 0 point just for the sake of this video. Because if I had the 0 point, I would be using it. So the bottom layer of my baking dish has about 3/4 cup of marinara sauce. And then I got some frozen ravioli, which is cheese. You could choose any kind you want. If you want meat in it, you can. And I got the 25-ounce bag, by the way. And then what I did was I got some Parmesan cheese, and I kind of just topped that off. And then I got some of that spinach, and I placed that on top. And all you do is just keep repeating that. So layer after layer until I ran out of the spinach and the ravioli, all that. And this is your recipe, so if you want to add a different kind of cheese on top, you can. So you could add mozzarella, or me, I added some cheddar cheese. It's up to you. And you could even add some green onions on top, but I liked it just like this. I covered it with foil and I placed it in the oven for about 25-30 minutes. And I enjoyed it with a nice salad that had celery, broccoli, tomato, carrots, pepper, and my favorite dressing of all time, which is 1 point if you're green. I'm not sure the other, like for the purple or anything, but if you're green, this 1 point is cucumber ranch yogurt dressing. It is so good. And there it is. So depending on what marinara sauce you use, what cheese you use, that's going to determine the points. When I added up my serving right here, mine came out to 8 points for this. So I was really shocked with that and happy. And yeah, there is my delicious lunch. I actually had this for lunch. Actually, I would add another point because I forgot to add the dressing, but you know, just for the ravioli. And yeah, it will fill you up. You will have leftovers, and it always tastes better the next day, I believe, you know, when you microwave it. Do you agree with that? Leftovers are the best. Who is ready for the best dessert ever? Yes, do you see this? And it is low in points. Yeah.
It is a mess over here, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm making the kids, and it's also good for you guys. I've made this myself, but I wanted to show you. Tonight I'm just having green tea, but this is an ice cream cone, obviously, and this inside is actually the sugar-free Cool Whip, so it's not ice cream. And then I put 1 Hershey chocolate, obviously, and then a little bit of graham cracker, drizzled it with some Hershey light syrup. And yeah, you got yourself a little s'more wannabe ice cream. There is marshmallow here. I was gonna put it on top. Probably will. Oh, I'll fix that after. But anyways, yeah, I thought I'd share that with you guys. It's a fun dessert for the family, and it's no ice cream involved. So, you know, if your kids are a little hyper, give them the sugar-free Cool Whip and Hershey light syrup, and there you go. And these are just the little s'more goldfish little bags that they have. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys that, and if you try it, let me know what you think.
And that is all for my video, but this is a preview of what's coming next week in a favorite recipe, or what I ate today. I can't wait to share this one with you. It is so good, you guys, and perfect for the weather we are having, and low in points, easy to make. So I will see you guys next week, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.